guys watch my TikTok?
Hey.
Hey. Get some lures.
Yep. We found some lures too.
Really?
So today we took a long, windy, slippery path on the top of this hill over to the point by the canal and the river.
Pretty slick. Slippery stuff. I never thought I'd meet you. I love your videos.
Thanks, appreciate it. You lose any lures down here?
I did not. Today was a good day, but I didn't catch a fish, so I guess I broke even.
That's good.
Well, I was gonna head out, but I may as well watch it for a little bit.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna see if these guys will let me dive out here for a couple minutes, and I'll give them a couple lures.
Hey, you guys know Ed?
Would you guys let me dive here for a couple minutes? I'll give you some lures. Thanks. You guys lose any out here?
We just got here.
Yeah, Sunday I lost a clown color husky jerky.
Oh yeah. Yeah, visibility is pretty crappy, but if you guys just let me, this drops off a little bit, I'm gonna stay to the rocks. I don't want to get swept away.
Yeah, I see boats floating upriver with the wind.
Yeah. Today we're at the Fox River, Pere, Wisconsin. About to go in this dirty water here, try to find some lures. Get into diving, it's awesome. Yeah, I can't even see 6 inches. First one. Can't see nothing. God. You guys drinking Pabst? So stirred up, it's horrible. This one looks brand new. You guys can fish over there if you want. I appreciate it. I have my face like right against the rocks and I'm feeling up and down the rocks with my hands. No luck. I'll give you what I found here, but I only got 2 of them. But they're still pretty good. I'll give you guys these jigs here. I mean, it's not much. Usually I find a lot more, but I can see. Can't see right now. Gotta find more than 2.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, well, it's nothing much, but
Thank you.
yeah, thank you guys.
Hey, it was nice
Thanks for letting me try it out.
Oh, no problem.
What's your name?
Max.
Max?
Yep.
Did I meet you before out here?
I think I saw you a couple of times.
Okay. Hunter?
Yep.
Oh, nice to meet you both, and good luck fishing.
Thank you.
Try to help keep the banks clean if you can.
Oh yeah.
Appreciate it. That'd be nice. That's a good exercise. I need to lose some weight. That's really on there good. Line cutters works awesome.
Yeah.
Well, they have a website, linecutters.com.
Okay.
They have a lot of different products too. A bird comes up here.
Yeah.
It's all tangled up in this. Careful.
Where do you get your gloves from?
My local scuba shop or Green Bay Scuba.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they cost $70, $50, and the cost of finding lures. Might be getting skunked from lures, but we're still making it better for the wildlife.
You got your line cutters here?
Yeah.
My knife blade on.
Yeah, there's line all over these banks. But if I don't get what we can get, I'll be back another day. I'll be back.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, these guys are giving me some lures. That was right there, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Yeah, so come grab a hat up there when I'm leaving. I'd probably be like a half hour, 45 minutes.
Oh, okay.
This is like the second time I kind of got skunked, but I'm not done yet. When the water's down and the gates aren't open, I clean up this whole area. Other divers do too. I'll try out here a little bit. I can't even see in here. I'll just feel around my hands. Visibility here is really bad. About 3-4 inches. So I'm just gonna go blind and stay in the shallows, feel around, stay out of the current.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
A little bit of cleanup effort with Ed the diver.
So Jacob here took his time away from fishing to come help me just walk along the banks, clean up fishing line, trash, plastic from lure boxes, whatever else that was there that was not supposed to be there.
Kinds of fishing
He was
line
helping me out. Pretty cool.
down here. entangle the wildlife. That goes way over there still. But no, I like this is good exercise, having all this extra weight on my back.
Yeah.
Just like trying to balance and stuff. It helps me lose weight in the winter.
Yeah.
So I don't mind doing it at all.
I put on a few pounds.
It happens.
Yeah.
Ladies taking pictures of you cleaning up.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. And they say, hey, there's guys trying to do good down there. Look at that.
Nice.
Oh, nice Google Eye. You want that one? Do they-
No, I'm good.
you don't use those? It's like a $2 setup right there. Later. Yeah. I can't go out there right now. The current is too strong. You casting jigs? Alright, yeah, that's smart. Don't cast deep divers out there. Casting deep divers in 2-3 feet of water with the current. You want a nice Google Eye jig and it's found on the rocks here? Sure. They're a couple bucks a piece. There you go. Here, it has some line on it. Look at that line off. There you go.
Yeah.
Did you ever find an anchor way out there? Out here?
Yeah.
I found one dive last summer. I found 27. I had 27 in my kayak, and before that I found 24 I had in my kayak. And then,
TikTok?
yeah, Ed the Diver.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I follow you.
Well, thanks, man. What's your guys' names?
I'm Jared.
Jared,
Yep.
My name's Nathan.
Ethan, and Nathan.
Yep.
Oh, thanks, guys. Help keep the banks clean if you can.
Yeah,
We're
we
just-
try.
See you guys later. Nice meeting you. You ever see one of those pelicans? Do you ever see them up close?
Yeah. I actually hooked one a few years ago.
Oh,
With my lure.
wow. So it broke you off then, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Those things are big.
They are. They're fun to watch.
They swallow a whole walleye or what?
Yeah. Yeah, they will.
Jeez.
They'll swallow anything they can get in their mouth.
Really?
They call them opportunistic carnivores.
Huh. Oh, there's some glass over here. Thank you. Man, getting trash out of the water, that's good. Out of the banks. Didn't find many lures, kind of stinks, but oh well, one of those days. Jacob helped me clean all this mess up and helped me clean all the line up, trash. So that's pretty cool, appreciate it. Yeah. What's up, guys? Can't see anything today, I didn't get it. 3 lures. Then we got some trash, got a bunch of trash off the banks and fishing line, so it turned out, you know, helping wildlife and stuff.
The pliers, we caught that out of here. Couple bags.
Nice.
10 lures. Got a custom P10 I caught off the bottom.
Oh man, that'd be a nice one. Some trash. All right, all done with my dive here. Had a rough day, didn't find many lures. Only found 3, 2 in the water and 1 on the bank. Gave them all away. Ended up just doing a bunch of cleanup. Clean up some line and trash. Let's check it out. So we got some cans here, some plastic. We got a bunch of fishing line off the banks. A couple kids threw some lures in here that they found that they didn't want. We got a glove here and some more line and glass over here. Even though it was a bad day for lure hunting, got some trash off the banks. It's a good day.